This short film was made with Nano Banana and Hailuo AI. Nano Banana is Google's brand new free image generator. With it, you can change elements in a picture and keep characters and scenes consistent across multiple shots. But to turn those shots into a real movie, Hailuo AI lets you take just 2 images, a first frame and a last frame, and blend them into one seamless video, just like this.
I'll show you exactly how to do it. Are you ready?
All right, first thing you need is a platform that actually supports Hailuo AI. I'm using VideoMax because it gives you access to every single video model, and all image generations are completely free, including Nano Banana and Flux Context. If you want to try it yourself, I dropped the link down below in the description. So, let's jump into video generation. Select the new Hailuo 02 model. Here, you'll need to upload 2 images, a start frame, basically where your video begins, and an end frame, the final shot of your video. Next, enter your prompt. For example, I used transform the girl in image 1 naturally into the transformer in image 2. Keep the scene and aspect ratio consistent. That way the transformation looks much smoother. Then, pick the resolution and duration. At 768p, you can do a 6-second or 10-second clip. At 1080p, it only supports 6 seconds. You can also choose how many outputs you want. I just set it to 1. Finally, click Generate, and boom, that's the transformation part done. After that, you can adjust the playback speed in post and use VO3 to make a transformer actually talk. Now, with the Start&End frame feature, you can also create time shift effects. For example, turning the young lady into an elderly, terrified version of herself, just like in a horror movie. So here's how. I take a photo of a young lady as the start frame, and I need an elderly version for the end frame. That's where Nano Banana comes in. Switch over to Generate Image, choose Nano Banana, and you'll see it doesn't cost any coins. Upload the young lady's photo as the reference. Nano Banana will generate a consistent character image. Then enter a prompt like, turn the lady into a frail, sickly, elderly version of herself, and add more details if you want. Pick your aspect ratio. I chose 16:9 and hit Generate. Within seconds, you get a realistic elderly version. Same clothing, body shape, and facial structure. Download it, head back to Generate Video, and upload both start and end frames. Now write a short prompt describing the transformation. For example, skin wrinkling, hair thinning, posture weakening, facial expression shifting. And that's it. The result is smooth, natural, and really feels like time just flew by. So in this way, you can also use it for consistency in complex designs, like turning a detailed space station sketch into a one-to-one cinematic render. That's the real power of Nano Banana: consistency. Most AI models struggle when switching camera angles. You often end up with different characters or broken details. Imagine your main actress looking like her sister, her cousin, or a total stranger. That's pure chaos. So to make a quality AI video, consistency is key. Nano Banana locks it in, letting you control perspectives freely. Here's an example. I take this photo of the lady. If I want a side view, I just type, show the woman from the side, working diligently at her desk. And you get a side shot of the exact same person. Generate again, and maybe you'll get another side angle. You can zoom in for a close-up, go for an over-the-shoulder rear view, or switch back to a front-facing shot. Every angle still looks like the same character. And to take it further, you can control both the camera angles and the movement, all with Start and End frame feature. For example, I want the camera to move from behind this explorer, circle around counterclockwise, and then reveal her face. With Hailuo, you can achieve that level of precise camera control. Let me show this perfume ad, for instance. The camera follows the bottle as it drops into the water, capturing the whole moment. You can even use camera motion to express emotion, almost like a professional director would. The trick here is to clearly describe how the camera moves in your prompt. Like in this dinosaur example, the camera zooms into the dinosaur's pupil and pushes forward until it lands on the end frame. Or in the perfume example, the motion is set to follow and move downward. So basically, by combining different camera movements, you can create any kind of cinematic sequence you want. And if you're not sure how to write prompts or don't know all the possible camera shots, no worries. I put a Google Doc link in the description with everything you need. Now imagine scaling this up for bigger, more dramatic shots. For example, I could start with an aerial photo of an F1 racetrack, then zoom in and lock on to the first car speeding down the lane. Even with all that fast motion, the camera effect stays sharp and powerful. And it doesn't stop there. You can even chain videos together using start and end frames. Just take the end frame of one video and use it as the start frame of the next. Then add a new image as the end frame. You can link frame to frame seamlessly, unlocking truly endless creative possibilities. And on top of that, you get full control over the speed of every camera transition. And once you add the right sound effects, you'll get results like this. The brand new Hailuo 02 model, combined with Nano Banana, really opens up endless possibilities for video creation. And the best part is inside VideoMax, using both of them together is super easy. On top of that, VideoMax and Hailuo AI just announced an event, and the prizes are seriously impressive. Each winner will receive $1,500 in cash, plus a one-year VideoMax membership worth $287.88, and a Minimax Max plan valued at $600. So, no matter who you are, whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, and it doesn't matter how many followers you have, anyone can take part. The rules are simple. Create a video of 20 seconds or longer inside VideoMax using Hailuo 02, then post it to your social media. So, if this sounds exciting, don't wait. Get ready, log into VideoMax, and start creating your masterpiece today.